why not come back home and do a painting project? I have been wanting to do a marble paint pour for a while now. So I picked up some supplies. This is actually from Ross. There was an 8x10 6-pack for only, let's see, $5 or $6. I didn't want to get anything too expensive. I'm just practicing. So these are good practicing canvases. And you also need wood craft sticks to mix the paint with a painting medium, and I'm going to be talking about that in a little bit. Now the painting medium I picked up is a Liquitex. I hope I'm saying that right. I really don't know. It's a pouring medium. It's for acrylics. It's a high gloss finish. So instead of that matte look, like I did have a paint pour one day, but it didn't come out glossy and I wanted it to come out more glossy. This will help with that and to kind of get that flow on the canvas whenever you are moving it around. You'll need these. You may need to go pick up clear ones, which I will get for next time so that you can see how much paint you're actually pouring in there. Newspaper. I'm sitting on newspaper and that's where I'll be working. You will need paint. So I have gray acrylic paint. I also picked up this plum. These are already had just sitting around. I have a blue cotton, a black. I picked up a white. I got a pink as well. I also got this metallic silver-ish to kind of get that specks of sparkle and glitter because I love that, and a gold just in case I wanted to add gold. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. With the painting medium, ooh. 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 very messy though. So one thing I did forget to mention is you may need some gloves. Gloves, yeah, so that you don't make a mess like this. When I got towards the end, I found that picking up the paint that dropped and just kind of dipping it into my hands and kind of smoothing it out on those extra white spaces that the paint isn't moving towards, that if you don't want a white space, then I just kind of blend it in and make sure that it kind of fits with the color. If not, then I'll blend that color in with it really, really gently. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, so I ended up messing up the other one, but that's okay because it was just practice. But then I did another one. Look at this one. I love how it has those cells in it. I don't even know how it got like that. So the other one that I made originally, as I was cleaning up, it got completely messed up. That's why I decided to just, you know what? This was just a practice run, and I can make another one. I did pretty much the exact same steps that I did for the last one, except I may have added a little bit more of the painting medium. As I was pouring it, I didn't do just grand circles. I kind of just randomly put it all over the canvas just to make it a little bit more seamless. Instead of, oh, this color's here, this color's here, I wanted all the colors to just kind of randomly be dispersed together. So yeah.